Super Science on Skateboards!
In this video, we will explain several ways that physics is a part of skateboarding. Now, Austin is going to experiment with acceleration. He starts out going at a constant speed. Then, as he goes onto the ramp, he has negative acceleration. Then stops. Then he has positive acceleration as he goes back down. This graph shows Austin going up the ramp with negative acceleration, stopping, then coming back down with positive acceleration. Here, Spencer will show us how speed affects distance. He first goes off the ramp at 10.9 feet per second and goes an average of 20.8 inches. Here, he goes off the ramp at an average of 14.4 feet per second. He goes an average of 33.8 inches. Here, he goes off at 18.5 feet per second and goes an average of 59.8 inches. Therefore, the faster that you go, the farther you will go. Now, Jeff is going to experiment with trajectory angles. First, he goes off the ramp at a 0-degree angle and goes an average of 17 inches. Here, he goes off a 45-degree angled ramp and goes an average of 45 inches. Here, he attempts to go off a 90-degree angle ramp, fails, and goes 0 inches.
Therefore, if you go off a ramp at a 45-degree angle, you will go the farthest.
Now, Austin is going to experiment with potential and kinetic energy. He starts out with all potential energy. Then halfway down, half of it is kinetic energy and half of it is potential energy. When he gets to the bottom, all of the energy is kinetic. That is how physics is in skateboarding.